How to add USDT to Phantom Wallet. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can add USDT to Phantom Wallet. For this, launch open the Phantom Wallet app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, in order to add USDT to Phantom Wallet, you have to make sure that you have enough Solana. Now, you want to tap on this browser icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar. Here, search for Jupiter. Once you get on the site of Jupiter, you want to tap on the swap option over here. Then down below, you have the option of Connect Wallet. Go ahead and tap on the Connect Wallet option. Now select Phantom from here. Go ahead and tap on the Connect option. As you can see, it is being connected. Once it has been connected, in the box that says you're selling, you want to select Solana from here. After that, down below in you're buying, you want to select USDT. After that is done, you want to enter the amount. So go ahead and enter that amount. Once you have entered that, tap on the swap option. Now you want to head back over to the home screen of Phantom Wallet. Now over here, if you do not find the USDT, tap on the Manage Token List option over here. Then tap on the search bar and search for USDT. Once you find USDT over here, simply toggle it on, then head back and here you will find the USDT as well. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.